So I would love to
Oh,
hear, how did you come to love this area?
my career as an occupational therapist, this is the end of the 42nd year. I'm calling myself a junior senior. And in this journey of graduating from occupational therapy in 1984 and falling in love with sensory integration and neurodevelopmental treatment, attachment was the key to this idea of therapeutic use of self. I always loved learning about therapeutic use of self in my foundational OT classes. And in those early days, it was a little bit mysterious. What does that really mean? And when first introduced to attachment theory, I heard Dr. Daniel Siegel and read so many of his books. And that was all the way back in, I don't know, 1992. And the way that he described interpersonal neurobiology and what happens to us when we are in connection, it just resonated so deeply in the core of my being and my soul as an OT that it fit like a piece into a puzzle that informed these other two frames of reference that I was balancing between my hands and my heart. So attachment theory just sort of came in there and wrapped itself around all of the other pieces of what I was thinking and learning about. And it was such a deep and important part in the mental health process of our practice as therapists.